Hi all. How to say how are you in different languages? In English, how are you? Now we will see how are you in Telugu language.
మీరు ఎలా ఉన్నారు?
Meeru ela unnaru. How are you in Telugu language? Meeru ela unnaru. Now we will see how are you in Hindi language.
कैसे यू रहे हैं?
कैसे यू रहे हैं? How are you in Hindi language? कैसे यू रहे हैं? Now we will see how are you in Spanish language.
¿Cómo estás?
¿Cómo estás? How are you in Spanish language? ¿Cómo estás? Now we will see how are you in French language.
¿Cómo vas-tu?
¿Cómo ves tú? How are you in French language? ¿Cómo ves tú? Now we will see how are you in German language.
Wie geht es Ihnen?
We get to Ihnen. How are you in German language? We get to Ihnen. Now we will see how are you in Italian.
Come va?
Come va? How are you in Italian? Come va? Now we will see how are you in Portuguese.
Como você está?
Como você está? How are you in Portuguese? Como você está? Now we will see how are you in Chinese language.
你好吗？
Ni hao mo. How are you in Chinese language? Ni hao mo. Now we will see how are you in Arabic language.
كيف حالك؟
كيف حالك? How are you in Arabic language? كيف حالك? Now we will see how are you in Russian language.
как дела?
Как дела? How are you in Russian language? Как дела? Now we will see how are you in Japanese language.
お元気ですか？
お元気ですか? How are you in Japanese language? お元気ですか? Now we will see how are you in Korean language.
어떻게 지내?
어떻게 지내? How are you in Korean language? 어떻게 지내? Now we will see how are you in Tamil language.
எப்படி இருக்கிறீர்கள்?
எப்படி இருக்கிறீர்கள்? How are you in Tamil? எப்படி இருக்கிறீர்கள்? Now we will see how are you in Urdu language.
आप कैसे हो?
आप कैसे हो? How are you in Urdu language? आप कैसे हो? Now we will see how are you in Gujarati.
તમે કેમ છો?
તમે કેમ છો? How are you in Gujarati? તમે કેમ છો? Now we will see how are you in Filipino.
Kamusta ka?
Kamusta ka? How are you in Filipino? Kamusta ka? Now we will see how are you in Nepali.
तिमीलाई कस्तो छ?
तिमीलाई कस्तो छ? How are you in Nepali? तिमीलाई कस्तो छ? Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.